Welcome to Quiz Jockey! Can you guess the car brand by their logo sound? Let's find out in today's video. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's begin. Here is the first car brand's logo sound. Can you guess it? Impressive! It's Nissan. Here comes the second logo sound.
Volkswagen.
You are right. That's Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Volkswagen.
Number 3. Spot on. That's BMW. Guess this logo sound. That's correct. It's Lamborghini. Which logo is this? Too easy. That's Audi. Do you remember this brand sound? Fantastic guess. It's Bentley. Identify the logo from this sound.
Kia. Movement that inspires. Kia. Movement that
Yup, it's a Kia.
Kia. Movement that inspires. Kia. Movement that inspires.
Can you name the logo by this sound? Bravo! That's a Porsche. Which brand does this sound belong to?
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors. Drive your ambition.
This sound belongs to Mitsubishi.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors. Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.
Listen carefully and give your best guess. You nailed it! It's a Volvo. What do you think about this? Perfect guess! It's Peugeot. What famous brand logo is this? That is definitely Rolls-Royce. Number 13. No question about it, it's Lexus. Have you heard this sound before? That's correct. It's Subaru. Which brand is this?
Opel. Wir leben Autos. Opel. Wir leben Autos.
Outstanding. That's Opel.
Opel. Wir leben Autos. Opel. Wir leben Autos.
What logo comes to mind from this sound? No doubt, that's a Ford. Here's a familiar sound. Can you guess the brand? Of course, that's a Hyundai. Which brand's logo fits in this memorable sound? Awesome guess. It's Renault. Can you name the brand behind this unique sound? You are amazing! That's Jaguar. Guess this last sound.
Citroen, créative technologie. Citroen, créative technologie.
Of course, that's Citroen.
Citroen, créative technologie. Citroen, créative technologie.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.